In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with OneNote using Zapier. This process allows you to automate the transfer of information between these two powerful tools, making your workflow more efficient. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the Zapier website. Zapier is an online automation tool that connects your favorite apps and services, allowing them to work together and perform tasks automatically. If you don't already have an account, now is a great time to sign up. If you're all set, log in and get ready to integrate Notion and OneNote seamlessly. Once you're logged into Zapier, the next step is to create a new Zap. A Zap is essentially an automated workflow that connects your apps. You'll start by clicking on the Create button at the top of your screen. After that, click on Zap to begin crafting your new automation. Upon starting a new Zap, you'll be directed to the Zap Setup page. Here, our first focus is setting up a trigger. Simply put, the trigger is the event that activates your Zap. Click on Trigger and type Microsoft OneNote into the search bar that appears. This step connects your Zap to OneNote, ensuring it recognizes when a specified action occurs within OneNote. Once OneNote is selected, you'll need to choose a trigger event from a list of options. This selection determines what specific action in OneNote will prompt the Zap to initiate. After selecting your desired event, you'll have to sign in to your Microsoft OneNote account to authorize Zapier to access your data. Make sure you follow any on-screen prompts to complete the authentication process. Next, we move on to setting up the action step, the counterpart to your trigger. This is where Notion comes into play. Click on the Action button and in the same way as before, type Notion into the search field. Select Notion from the list to continue. Now you'll have to choose an action event. This defines what action will be performed in Notion when your trigger event happens in OneNote. Select the action event that suits your integration needs best. Once an action event is chosen, click on Continue. You will then be prompted to sign into your Notion account to allow Zapier the necessary access. With both the trigger and action set, the final step is to click on Continue again. Follow any remaining on-screen prompts to finalize your Zap. These prompts might include testing your Zap to ensure it works correctly. And just like that, your Notion to OneNote integration via Zapier is complete. Congratulations, you've successfully automated a part of your workflow, saving time and effort in managing your notes across platforms. Remember, with Zapier, the possibilities for connectivity and automation continue to grow, so keep exploring how you can streamline more of your processes.